This is the all-new Hyundai Verna with the futuristic and ferocious look, which is awarded 5 star for safety by Global NCAP. Also, the design is very futuristic. See the interior design with the steering mounted. Also, it's very good. You can see there is this features are also very good. You can see the futuristic look of this car, and it's the Hyundai Verna. You can see the ADAS and many more features are being available in this car. As you can see, these are the features being provided here. Coming to the engine, it comes with 1.5 liter MPI petrol engine, which gives you 84.4 kilowatt of the power and also 143.8 Newton meter of torque. And the second engine type is 1.5 liter turbo GDI petrol engine, which comes with 117.5 kilowatt hour of power and 253 Newton meter of torque. This comes with 6-speed manual and a 7-speed dual clutch transmission. Also, if we come to the exterior part, the exterior is also very good looking. As you can see, the exterior part is also very much good. You can see the 360-degree view. The car is available in many of the colors like black, white, grey, double tone, red and grey and black. You can see the front profile looks very much charming. The side profile looks also very pleasant, and the rear profile, you can see it looks like a supercar. You can see, if we come to the interior part, then the interior is also very well finished with the design. Also, you can see the seats are very much comfortable, and also the interior instrument system also available with a very much of the capacity. You can see the armrest is also given in for the driver seat, and the ventilated heat seats are also available in this car, which comes in a few of the cars. The premium interior design gives you a futuristic look, like you can see double tone design with white and black combination. See, the car looks very much pretty from inside too, and when we come to the performance point, it gives a very much good performance. As told by me, there are two engine types, that is 1.5 liter turbo GDI petrol engine and 1.5 liter MPI petrol engine. The 6 speed manual transmission is also available. And now comes with the safety point of view, ADAS and many more features are being available in this car. You can see the 6 airbag, best in segment, electronic stability control is also given, parking assist is also given in this car. Intelligent safety features like hill start assist control, HSE, all 4 disc brake, turbo only is also given in this car. Electric parking brake, turbo only, vehicle stability management, emergency stop signal ESS is also given. Comes to the convenience point, you can see the convenience is also very much good for the car, like longest wheelbase in the segment, fronted ventilated heat seats and smart trunk, and the size is very much good for your luggage. HD AVN system and digital cluster, you can see the cluster is very much good in the size, that is 10.25 inch HD dual video navigation system and digital cluster with color TFT mid, advanced convenience, home to car H2C with Alexa, smartphone wireless charger is also will work with compatible smartphones only. You can see smart key with push button start, switchable types, infotainment and climate control, and also rear manual curtain is also given here. The sunroof also comes with this car. And now comes with the specification point of view. You can see the specification as given. It is a sedan type car which comes with 1.5 liter dual engine. The car name is Verna. Number of seats is 5. Engine type is, there are, as told, there are two engine types. Also, the disc brake is provided in the front and the rear brake are drum. But in turbo we get a disc brake at the rear also. Fuel tank is petrol and the fuel capacity is 45 liters. as told. Exterior design: the length of the overall length is 4.5 meters, and the overall width is 1.7 meter. Overall height is 1.4 meter, and overall wheelbase is 2.6 meter. Comes to the boot space is also very much good available in this car, and the tire type is tubeless. Spare type 185 65 R15 tire is given, all trims. And comes to the now we comes to the features of this car. Futuristic Varna, ferocious. You can see the features as told: safety, airbags, and many more features are being given in this car. Exterior, you can see the exterior of this car is like this. And interior, the interior feature is also given. Seating is also given here. Infotainment, connectivity, content, you can see these are the features. And comfort point of view, these are also the features being given in this car. You can read this and very carefully. Thanks for watching. Thank you.